Hello everyone, I'm Ali from Dry Academy. This is our very first video of Solidity programming language tutorial series. So, what is Solidity? Solidity is an object-oriented programming language for writing smart contracts. It is used for implementing smart contracts on various blockchain platforms, most notably Ethereum. If you're wondering what a smart contract is, smart contracts basically is a chunk of code which stays in the blockchain and it can be executed on the blockchain. So let's get started for this tutorial. To learn Solidity in a fun and in an intuitive way, I found a website called Crypto Zombies. This is really a fun website to learn Solidity. I will put the website link into the video description if you want. Basically, the website has a curriculum to learn Solidity by making zombies. Sounds fun, right? According to this curriculum, we will first make a zombie factory, then we will make a functionality to attack, and so on and so forth. In this tutorial series, I will teach you Solidity using this curriculum. Before I get to the coding part, let's see what we are going to build on this chapter 1. We are going to build a zombie factory, and this factory will have a database of zombies and also a function to create new zombies. Each and every zombies have a random and unique appearance. Later on this tutorial series, we will give zombies the ability to attack humans and other zombies. For now, we are going to add the basic functionality of creating new zombies. To make a unique zombie, every zombie will have a DNA, a 16 digits integer, just like real DNA. Different parts of this DNA number indicates different parts of zombie's body. Like the first two digits of this number refers to the zombie's head, and the second two digits of this number refers to the zombie's eyes. How it works is that if we take the first two digits 8 and 3 and divide the 83 by 7 plus 1 equal to 7. So this zombie would have the seventh zombie head type, and if I hover over this bar, then you can see the zombie's head type is changing and also the head gene number. So this is the head gene number 7, like in our example. Okay, that's enough for discussion. You can play with this by your own. Let's move to the next lesson. First off, we don't need any IDE like Visual Studio Code or something else. We can directly code here. For now, our priority is to learn Solidity. Everything will be fall into place eventually. Solidity is an object-oriented programming language. Unlike any other programming languages, Solidity has no concept of class. Instead, it has something called contract. And it makes sense because we are going to write smart contracts with Solidity, right? You can think of the keyword contract is an alternative to class in contrast with other programming languages. In Solidity programming language, we always have to start with the version pragma. Pragma is a way to define the version of the Solidity compiler. We can also put a version range like this. In this lesson, the task is to write a version like this and to write a new empty contract called zombie factory. Let's try it. Here we need to mention the version number of Solidity. I'm going to copy this line, this code, and replace this comment here. I just paste the code, and in Solidity you always have to put semicolon end of the line. So what this is means? Basically this is saying that this Solidity code is for the compiler number between 6 and 5. It's greater than equal to 5 and less than 6. Now I'm going to remove this comment and start typing contract, sorry, contract zombie factory. Let's check the answer. Woohoo, victory! So our code ran well. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the future tutorials. Don't forget to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Peace.